Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. We were not doing very well up at my dream claim today, so Rick has brought me down to his claim, the dead fish claim, and we're gonna see if we can do any better here today. We can't do much worse, that's for sure. So wish us luck, and I hope you enjoy. So Rick guarantees me 10 pieces in every pan.
10 pieces in every pan.
I'm just choosing to go right here amongst some of the bigger rocks, down in, see what it does for me. I'm gonna take my first pan. Never been to this spot before, have no idea. This is not a nugget claim. We don't find nuggets here. These will be flakes. That's the difference between where we were up at my dream claim. It's a nugget claim. This is on the same river, but it's down much lower where only the flakes make it down. Hole one. Pan one. Rick's already on it. Yeah, 2 specks of gold. Woohoo! There we be, 3 pieces of gold in that pan. Those are very small. It would take about 100 of those to make one of the pieces from the dream claim. But hey, at least we get to see gold in the pan. Oh, here comes pan 2 out of the same hole. And let's see. Oh. That's more like my claim upriver. What happened to 10 pieces in every pan? Anything good, Rick?
I found 2 poops.
2 fly poops.
No nuggets yet. Looking for that 10 grammer. The one down missed upstream.
It floated down.
It floated down, yeah.
Let's have a look. Well,
Getting better, getting better.
I'm seeing 5 or 6 or 10 or 20 little pieces.
20,000.
20,000.
20,000.
Okay, Rick, why do you call this the dead fish?
So when I first found it, it's good gold. Brought here my dog here. And within 5 minutes, he comes back smelling like dead fish. And for the next 2 years, he would find, no matter when or where, he will find dead fish here every time. So it just became dead fish. Yeah.
Nice. Well, those are pretty tiny fly poops, but there's probably 8 or 10 of them in there.
I think they're called no-see-em poops.
No-see-em poops. No-see-em poops. Well, this pan had a nicer piece in it. Couple fly poops. No-see-em poops.
No-see-em poops.
And then the wings off the no-see-em. That's it. That's what that one is. I just heard a woohoo. That must mean there's something in that pan.
It wasn't a loud like woo. It was like a woo. You know.
It was more excitement than I've heard all day. So yeah.
Get the camera. See what we got here. There he is. That's not too bad.
Okay.
Where's your friends?
Where's your friends?
Bring forth.
He's big enough that he's gonna look huge with the close-up camera.
Right? Ginormous.
There we go. There's Rick's piece of the day so far. Woo-hoo! Let's go outdo him.
Dinner's on me. We gotta sell that nugget first.
Hey Ricky, I found some gold.
Oh, what? That's not poop.
Those are horseflies.
Those are horseflies.
Those are horseflies.
Horsefly poop.
Well, this is definitely the best pan for me here today. 2 real nice flakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 medium flake, and possibly some more fly poops. Yeah, I dug down deep underneath that rock there and I got nothing. And now I'm just scraping the surface and I'm getting better and better gold. So yeah, definitely flood gold, and I'm gonna stick with scraping the surface.
Definitely walked out.
Yeah, that one is like a micro nugget. Well, it's not 10 flakes per pan, but you know, there's another 5 or 6. And for small gold, this is very chunky, very fresh.
Sliced tomato, shredded lettuce, all the things that you can have. Then design food out of that.
Multiple dishes use the same stuff.
Right? Yeah. Then you're talking now. You can grab a big fat burger.
It is.
It got smaller, did you notice?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, they took the patty down by the third, but the price is still the same.
Not too shabby. 2 okay flakes, 1 little guy. Into the snuffer bottle they go. Now that's what we're talking about. Check out this flake.
Oh, Dan, awesome!
That's a nice one.
That's what we're supposed to be on.
Yeah.
10 of those in every pan.
10 of those every pan. And there's also
There's 9 more over here.
Well, there's 10 more tiny ones over there.
That's awesome, Dan. That looks great.
Okay, I heard another woohoo, and this one was bigger than the last one. That must mean something.
Maybe.
Maybe.
It could be just fly poop, not horse fly poop. Oh, holy shit!
That is a pan.
Oh, man.
Yeah, your choice of changing spots was obviously worth it.
Definitely not there.
Not there.
Not there, there.
Right there.
I think that whole lump is holding the flood.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Well, I think I'm gonna have to use the zoom feature on my camera to make sure my pan here looks every bit as good as Rick's just was. Really zoom in. Gold. Well, that's about the extent of my zoom. Anything more than that goes blurry. So just imagine those are as big as Rick's. Yeah, that's right. And the very next pan, I get a flake worthy of Rick's.
Nice.
But he had a few. I have 1. And Tricky Ricky says he's got another one. Woo. Another good pan. Well, he finishes that off. Let's look at the river. What beautiful blue water. Oop, let's see what he's got. Oh yeah. Not as good as the last one.
A little more.
Last one had a couple
of
big,
the last
flakes.
one was the big one, yeah.
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
Long and skinny.
So we're kind of pooped. We spent the first half of the day up at my dream claim, working real hard, and then a few hours down here panning real hard, and now we're tired. So let's put our gold in our pan and see what we got. Well, for 2 hours down in the creek, panning, I don't know, were you in here 2 hours?
Yeah, hour and a half.
Hour and a half maybe? That's some pretty nice gold. I won't get a chance to weigh this, but if I had to make an educated guess, I'm guessing there's 0.3 to 0.4 of a gram right there. Not bad for an hour and a half panning at the Dead Fish Claim. Let's check out Rick's take now. And again, if you're new to my channel and are not familiar with Rick, he has his own YouTube channel, Renegade Prospecting on YouTube. Check it out.
Renegade Prospectors.
That's Renegade Prospectors, not prospecting. Check it out. And here's Rick's take for the afternoon. Always nice to see that shiny yellow gold in your pan. Well done, Rick.